This video will show you a different way of making your Moodle course page look more like a regular web page, like this page we're going to build. A couple of years ago, I showed on YouTube a way of doing this using topic sections that were unseen. This new method also uses topic sections, but in a slightly different way. Let's take a look. This is a geography course for 11-year-olds. Down the left-hand side are some links to the different topics that they're studying. Clicking on these words takes them to the particular content. It's a bit like clicking to get to a different page in a website, or in the old-fashioned way, clicking to get to a different frame. What we're actually doing is linking to an individual topic section on our course page. If we turn on the editing now, we can have a look at how that's done. First of all, you can see that I've got rid of all of the side blocks to have a cleaner look. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to add a block, and I'm going to add an HTML block. And that's going to be the block that I'm going to use to make those links to the different sections. Now, for my own personal preference, I'm going to move that HTML block over onto the left-hand side, because I always like to see links to pages on the left, but you don't have to do that. Then I'm going to click the hand of the pen icon to configure it, and inside this block I'm actually going to type the names of the topic sections that are in this geography course. There's welcome, there's our hometown, rivers and flooding, unsettled earth, and climate change. These will then need to be linked to each individual topic section. What we need to do is to find the web address or the URL of each individual topic section so we can link directly to that and show only that. If you go to the box on the right hand side of a topic section where it says show only topic so and so, that's the address that we're going to need. So then if you go up to the top in your browser bar and then copy that particular URL, you can see that mine says at the very end topic equals 1 because it's the first topic that I'm linking to. Back on the course page now, I'm going inside the HTML block. I'm going to select welcome, the title of topic 1, click the hyperlink icon and paste that URL in. Then when I go OK, that one's going to work. Now I could then go back, find the URL for topic 2, come back, select our hometown and do the same, but there isn't any need, because if you remember the ending of that URL, if I select our hometown, click the hyperlink icon, if I paste the same one in again but just change topic equals 1 to topic equals 2, that one will work for me. Likewise, rivers and flooding is my third topic, so I just change 1 to 3 and so on. Each of these now will link to and bring up in the center of the screen that particular numbered topic. If we save the changes and then go and have a look, we can see that now we've got our links and they are hyperlinked. So I'm just going to quickly switch to student view to check that everything's working as it should. And there we are. So if we'd like to go immediately to the rivers and flooding, click and it takes us straight there. Go into the climate change section, click and it takes us straight there. That's about it really, but there is one final thought. What if you don't like text links? What if your students are very young and they would prefer to have images linking to the sections? You can do that just by going to the top, topic 0, the top summary, clicking there and making a table into which you could put images, and you could link those images to the topic sections in the same way that we did the text. I don't have an example here, but this is from my school and you can see that both image or text here, if you were to click on them, they link directly down to a section. The only disadvantage here, especially if you have a lot of information and large images, is that you might need to scroll down a little bit to get to it rather than being able to see everything on the screen as you're there. But it is another way of doing it.